The first batch of 5 S-70I Blackhawk combat utility helicopters from Poland's PZL Mielec has touched down at Clark Air Base. These helicopters arrived via an Antonov An-124 Ruslan civilian strategic transport aircraft, marking a major milestone in the modernization program of the Philippine military. This delivery, confirmed by the Department of National Defense, DND, is just the beginning, with a total of 32 units on order. The addition of these advanced helicopters is expected to revolutionize the operational capabilities of the Philippine Air Force. The arrival of the first batch signifies the start of a broader plan, with 10 more units slated for delivery later this year, another 10 in 2025, and the remaining 7 in 2026. This structured delivery schedule underscores PZL Mielec's commitment to enhancing the Philippine military's strength and fostering bilateral cooperation. The newly arrived Blackhawks will undergo rigorous in-country inspections and tests to ensure they are mission-ready. The 105th Tactical Helicopter Wing, renowned for its expertise, will take charge of integrating these helicopters into active service. Known for their robustness, versatility, and advanced technology, the S-70I Blackhawks are expected to play a crucial role in both military and civilian operations, including rescue and relief missions. The Philippine Air Force currently operates 15 units of the S-70I Black Hawk. The additional 32 helicopters will significantly expand their fleet, providing enhanced capabilities to meet modern demands. This move is part of a larger strategy to phase out older aircraft and replace them with state-of-the-art technology, ensuring the Air Force remains agile and effective in various operational scenarios. The acquisition of the S-70I Blackhawks is a testament to the ongoing modernization efforts of the Philippine Air Force. Historically, the Air Force has relied on a mix of older aircraft that, while reliable, are becoming increasingly outdated. The push for modernization is driven by the need to replace these aging platforms with more capable and technologically advanced assets. Beyond helicopters, the Air Force's modernization plan includes acquiring advanced fixed-wing aircraft, unmanned aerial systems, and sophisticated weaponry. The goal is to build a well-rounded and capable Air Force that can effectively safeguard national interests and contribute to regional stability. The arrival of these helicopters marks a new chapter in the Philippine Air Force's history. It is a strategic enhancement that goes beyond mere addition to the military arsenal. These helicopters will be pivotal in national security, disaster response, and other critical operations. The 105th Tactical Helicopter Wing will play a vital role in ensuring these new assets are seamlessly integrated and fully operational. As the Philippine military continues to modernize, the support of the nation is crucial. Every step towards improving our defense capabilities brings us closer to a safer and more secure Philippines. Let us stand united in supporting our soldiers and celebrating the progress we are making. Long live the Philippine Air Force and long live the Philippines. The arrival of the S-70I Black Hawk helicopters is not just an achievement for the military. It is a moment of pride for the entire nation. These helicopters symbolize our commitment to advancing our defense capabilities and ensuring our preparedness for any future challenges. Together, we can look forward to a brighter, more secure future for our country. The arrival of the S-70I Black Hawks is a significant step in the broader modernization efforts of the Philippine Air Force. Over the years, the Philippine Air Force has been working towards upgrading its fleet to better meet the demands of modern military operations. The inclusion of advanced helicopters like the S-70I Black Hawk is a testament to this ongoing commitment. Historically, the Philippine Air Force has relied on a mix of older aircraft that have served the nation well but are increasingly becoming obsolete. The push for modernization is driven by the need to replace these aging platforms with more capable and technologically advanced assets. The acquisition of the S-70I Blackhawks is part of this strategic initiative to enhance our operational capabilities and maintain a robust defense posture.